NANI? Okay, okay.
Ready, go!
Huh?
Let's go!
Okay, okay.
Hi, everyone. That stadium was cool, but follow me. This right here is my home, the wetlands. Isn't it the best?
Ready, go!
Goose. Goose.
NANI?
Okay.
Ready, go!
NANI?
Okay.
Hi, everyone. It's me. You might be used to seeing me in the stadium, but let's go check out my real home, the jungle.
Huh?
Hi, I'm Barnaby Buzzington, but you can call me Barney. Let's fly over to my incredible habitat. It's the bee's knees.
Huh?
Oh no!
Okay, okay.
Wow, what a transformation! From the big stadium to my beautiful coral reef home.
Huh? NANI?
Starfish. Starfish.
Okay. Ready, go!
Okay.
Ready, go!
Okay.
Ready, go!
Huh? NANI?
Sammy the Sloth, and I'm swinging back to my favorite place on Earth, the lush green canopy. Check it out!
Huh?
Armadillo. Armadillo.
Okay.
Lady, go!
Hi there. Follow me as I leave the stadium and head back to my real home in the woods. This is where I truly belong.
Nani?
Okay.
Lady, go!
L-Y-N-X. Lux.
Huh?
Oh no!
Okay.
My name is Apex, and this is where I belong. From the stadium crowds to the open skies, I am the master of the mountains.
Huh?
Let's go.
Okay. Nani?
Okay.
Lady, go!
D-U-C-K. That spells duck.
Nani?
Okay. Lady, go!